Natural light is an essential source of energy and well-being, and yet, millions of people live in dark, gloomy homes. But what if a simple window kit could provide more natural daylight in your home? Here's the Espacial Reflector. Its aluminum, silver and ceramic surface offers you 30% more light than a mirror while being 5 times lighter. Whether you live in an apartment or in a house, the Espacial Reflector adapts to your windows, your balcony or your terrace. Installing it is simple and safe. It only takes a few minutes. The Espacial Reflector is not made of glass. It won't break. It amplifies the natural light every day without dazzling you. Enjoy a more pleasant interior for you and your family. Taking advantage of all the benefits of natural light has never been easier. Purchase your Espacial reflectors from our online store, espacial.com.